Hello Bliss, welcome back to my channel. In part 2 of my Zanzibar birthday celebration, we are heading to the stunning beach for a delicious meal, some refreshing swims, and heartfelt moments with my amazing friends. Let's dive in. Hey guys, the sound of the waters. Yo, look at the waters and the sound. I don't know if the camera is doing justice really.
She's just trying. You have your phone there? Oh.
Ocean. Here we go.
This vlog is good though.
Just like, oh, it's okay. So guys, I'm here. I've just been walking around after the surprise from Afghan Nyako, Papa to the world, and Erin at TL. So I left them there. We have ordered for food and I've just been walking, so I think I should just go back. The food might be ready by now. I was too hungry to just sit. So I had to walk at least so that I can be distracted. But yeah, so far so good. All is well. So today I'm tasting seafood for the very first time. I hope I like it because I'm hungry. I can't afford not to like it. These are the shrimp. This thing that looks weird. So appetizing. Did you know nothing beat beachside dining? We indulge in fresh seafood and local flavors, soaking up the breathtaking ocean views. Lovelies, in this birthday celebration, I get to taste seafood for the very first time. Guys, traveling will make you do things that you never thought you would do. I never thought I would eat this thing. I've ever seen them in videos and other people eating them and I'm like, ew. But guys, today is my time to taste them. To be honest, I loved what I ate, but the imagination, the mindset behind how they look like what disturbed me. But they are actually amazing. So we had a good time, we chatted, we talked, we ate, and yeah, it was so amazing. I ate my food actually. So what I just tasted was African Yako's food, but that's my food right there, and I completely ate mine pata. At this point, we took the party to the oceans. We couldn't resist capturing some unforgettable moments in the crystal clear waters. Guys, I don't know if you have ever tried to take pictures inside the ocean after a beautiful, amazing birthday surprise party and you're sipping coconut waters or coconut juice while the wave is throwing water on you. Yo, I love this. I will never forget this moment. Guys, let me know in the comment section, so far so good, how you feel about this video and share your experience, like if you have ever got a birthday surprise from your friends or you're hoping for it soon. So here are behind the scenes of the photos we're taking, and I decided to take you guys along because why not? And that's why you're seeing me not stable, because we are trying. And here again is Erina TL in the building, also taking some pictures, and we are here to give you behind the scene video. Because after working up an appetite, we refreshed with some delicious coconut juice, the perfect baked treat, while we are also playing games with Uncle. Because guys, we are here to enjoy. We did not come here to suffer, you get. So here Uncle is trying to compete with the wave and trying to run, and guys, they are catching him while I'm there catching for him the coconut as he runs. Then again, now at this point, uncle was tired, so he's here sitting sipping his coconut juice. And here is my little man walking in the white sand. An African nyako also having fun. Guys, we all have fun and loved it. Just walked around, took some pictures, and such a memorable and amazing memories, forever to be remembered, to be shared, to be valued, to be loved. And yeah, guys, anything to do with waters, I just love them. So guys, after all those games, nothing like refreshing swim to walk off the delicious lunch. The crystal clear waters of Zanzibar were irresistible. They were really irresistible. And me, I love waters, guys. Nobody told you. I don't know if you guys know this, but I love swimming. I love being in the water. So at this point, I had to change and wear a bikini, and I was just having fun in the water. And the waves were throwing me down, guys. Yo, let me leave you guys to watch this part at least and have fun with me at the beach as I celebrate my birthday party that was thrown. Surprise birthday party, if I may say. Yeah. Again, here I'm trying to play a game, trying to compete with the wave, writing my name before the water has reached. But guess what? It has already reached. Then again, before I even go, I had to take some nice pictures and also captured for you guys behind the scene. I loved it. And at this point now, we move to the next agenda because the birthday is not even done yet. There's more to this, guys.
What is going on? We are getting massage for the first time. Lighty, Ojalaba. Etuhena kadamu kale naye kajja kulabika. They first wash the leg. Marie, keep watching us on that background. In most of the shots, if it's not enough close, you have that, okay? Even real. Nusu saa, si nusu saa, half hour. Strong or medium? Medium. Relax, no strong, no medium. Yeah, you put some strong. Strong, eh? Okay.
After all the excitement, it was time for some well-deserved relaxation. My two friends, African Nyako and Erinatiel, treated themselves to rejuvenating beach massage, soaking up the serene atmosphere and calming ocean sound. Lovely watching the waves roll in while expert arms melt away the tension. Pure bliss, my friend thoroughly enjoyed every moment of this beachside pampering, while they all slept up without knowing, and they totally forget themselves or even where they are. This is something amazing, and I'm so grateful that we were able to do this and we decided to do it. And the fact that we are four of us, we decided to do in shift that two of them do first and me and uncle later. So enjoy watching them as they get pampered along the beachside with the wave and the sound of the waters. Guys, I love this. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever experienced massage along the sea or the beach, and to tell you this is their very first time to experience such kind of thing. So it's amazing experience. I could tell from how they were, how they felt, and also you guys are going to see when I asked them how they felt about the whole thing. Yeah. Oops. Falling. How was the massage?
I dozed off. It was so nice. Like not the, how is it called, the strong one? Like that.
Hard.
It is, I felt so good. I slept off.
Everyone was like this.
Even my mouth was open.
Why are you walking like a chicken?
Sleeping.
How was the...
I did have my hand and I felt that.
So that's how nice it is. You were like this as if you told yourself.
When you were tired and when you lost your face, I didn't know. Mimi
After watching my friends relax, it was my turn to unwind with a rejuvenating beach massage, and I wasn't alone. Uncle Pakwaj to the world joined me for the quality relaxation time. We melted into the gentle realms of the ocean, letting go of all the stress. Sharing this experience with Uncle made it even more special. Getting a massage along the beach is something that everyone at least should experience, even if it's not your special day. If you have the chance, even if you just near the beach at your home, please try to get a massage, and trust me, you're going to love the experience. Hearing the sounds of the waters, the fresh breeze, and those touches from the professional hands is an amazing experience. At this point, I dozed off completely. I was sleeping because the sound of the waters, the fresh breeze, and the touch, the massage, and everything is just amazing. I couldn't resist but slept up completely. So I'll leave you guys to enjoy, to watch, and see how far it goes.
Aí, Mabor.
I will not sleep. I'll not sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Guys, the massage was nice. You guys, I'm this legend that always like me time. So after staying with people, I always get time to get away and just be on my own. And that's exactly what I was doing. Uncle's also here enjoying the breathe. And after walking away and staying alone, now this is time I'm coming to join them. And again, just watching around and see what's happening. So those guys were raising something and we didn't know what it was. So we had to stay a little bit to see exactly what is going on. So we are going to see that together, guys.
But I feel like we're going to get it. Maybe it has gone on drop. I'm not sure, but I feel like it can. You did not click any next or anything. I just was closing all the tabs. See. Ooh. Oh, it's going to carry him up. Yo. Yeah. You'll go now. I think they are controlling it.
Guys, if you know what that is, please let me know in the comment section below. And that's why it took me so long to capture the video, because I wanted to see exactly what was happening. I thought it was going to be like a parachute where it carries the guys up and maybe it's doing some games, but they ended up just being in the water like that. Like literally they did not carry anybody up, nothing. And I gave up later, but I kept my hope high. I kept trying to see exactly what was going on. I wanted to capture for you guys some good moment, but no, nothing happened. So actually, this is it for our today's. After all the activities that went down, as we sat together on the beach before we go home, we took a moment to share our gratitude and appreciation for each other. These are the moments that makes life truly special. And guys, help me thank them in the comment section. I'm so grateful. I don't take this for granted. These are memories to be shared, to be remembered, and I truly value them a lot. I love them so much, and I'm so grateful to have them in my life at this moment of my life. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable birthday adventure. If you missed part 1, please check out in my description box below so that you have a clear idea of how it went down, or how the surprise went down, because this is a continuation of a video I uploaded few days ago. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel blogs and adventure. Just stay tuned because we have more Zanzibar blogs or videos. This is just the beginning. We are not done yet. And thank you so much for watching till the end. For those of you that have reached till this point, please say cheese in the comment section so that I know how many people have reached to this, have watched to this point. I love you guys so much. I don't take your support for granted, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.